United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 10, Bays, 1. This article relates only to bays the coasts of which belong to a single state. 2. For the purposes of this convention, a bay is a well-marked indentation, whose penetration is in such proportion to the width of its mouth as to contain landlocked waters, and constitute more than a mere curvature of the coast. An indentation shall not, however, be regarded as a bay unless its area is as large as, or larger than, that of the semicircle, whose diameter is a line drawn across the mouth of that indentation. 3. For the purpose of measurement, the area of an indentation is that lying between the low water mark around the shore of the indentation and a line joining the low water mark of its natural entrance points. Where, because of the presence of islands, an indentation has more than one mouth, the semicircle shall be drawn on a line as long as the sum total of the lengths of the lines across the different mouths. Islands within an indentation shall be included as if they were part of the water area of the indentation. 4. If the distance between the low water marks of the natural entrance points of a bay does not exceed 24 nautical miles, a closing line may be drawn between these two low water marks, and the waters enclosed thereby shall be considered as internal waters. 5. Where the distance between the low water marks of the natural entrance points of a bay exceeds 24 nautical miles, a straight baseline of 24 nautical miles shall be drawn within the bay, in such a manner as to enclose the maximum area of water that is possible with a line of that length. 6. The foregoing provisions do not apply to so-called historic bays, or in any case where the system of straight baselines provided for in Article 7 is applied.